Get time-to-time trading signals with our Binary Sniper Pro indicator. This time, we got 65% live trades with good and high winning probability, securing winning spot and avoid daily bad trades. We got many videos by using this, and on this method, we will spot potential trading reversals. I will show you on how to trade with this strategy. We got GBP/JPY, a solid sell alert notification. But before we will execute our trade, we must have to review its chart pattern. As we can see here, the trend is on uptrend. We used 5 seconds time frame to find reliable entry for this 1-minute trading duration. A good opportunity here to trade going lower, as this candle bar creates a long tick going up. The trend goes down and got winning trade on that. Take note that this method is also profitable when adding additional trading indicators for trend filtering and avoid market noise. Let's wait for another signal to pop up. We got 2 alerts here. AUD/USD and EUR/USD both got buy alerts. And as we can see here on our AUD/USD chart, a good spot here to trade going up. And also for our EUR/USD, a straight trend going down and might be a reversal here. Let's take this opportunity and trade going up. CAD/CHF as well got sell alert confirmation. But as we can see in our chart, it is too noisy and might gotta lose on this. We will not trade on this and focus on easy target pairs. As for the indicator's accurate signals, we might get a winning trade on this, as the trend is going down. We could win on this trade. We had a loss on our AUD/USD pair, but we also had a winning trade on our EUR/USD pair. Let's wait for another confirmation. We got an alert. GBP/JPY got sell alert notification. And as we can see on our chart, a high tendency for the trend to go down in the next minute. Let's don't hesitate for it and let's trade going down. See the rest of the video and don't forget to follow us to get latest trading strategies with Pocket Option and other trading brokers. This is perfect for beginners who wants guidance or alerts directly to trade with them. Another confirmation from CAD/CHF, a sell alert confirmation. The trend goes a bit going higher, but we will expect that the trend will go down, since we have Binary Sniper Pro alert that guides us. Hoping that we will win this trade. We got our result for our GBP/JPY. With our CAD/CHF is not with our signal, and might be on its losing trade. We lose on that.